soon, I'm hoping that want her to be the only girl that I love for the rest of my life. Give her the best of me till the day that I princess, make her my queen. She'll be the most beautiful bride I've ever seen. I can't wait to smile. She walks down the aisle. Thank you! Thank you so much, thank you so much. How's everybody feeling tonight? Yung venue talaga, no? Parang, it's so stiff, right? Parang hirap. It's like we have to speak English here, you know? What's up? What's up? Speaking of English, I prepared a little something for you guys. Ano ba to? Ayun, nasira na. I prepared a little something for you guys. I used to be in band nung nasa US before, and I played the trombone. I played in the marching band. And ito baka alam niyo itong kantang to. It's 11 million hits lang naman siya sa YouTube. And minsan napapagkamalan akong kahawig daw ako ng tatay niya. Hindi tatay. It was sung by Inigo Pascual. You have to give me an acceptable reason. Thank you, Direk Joyce. No, I'm just kidding. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Dahil Sa'yo by Inigo Pascual. Basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Ilang minuto naghihintay ng tawag mo, marinig ng boses mo, masaya't kontento na ako. Habang hahanapin, basta ikaw ang aking kabili, lahat magagawa, ringin ka sa oka. regalo. Oh, mga rosas sa Joko. Ang puso ko naging inspirasyon sa bawat araw na harating. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sinta. Basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Sa'yo ako'y matapang, sa'yo ako'y kalapang, sa'yo basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Thank you. Thank you so much. Sino yan? Sino yan? Finally, may nag-I love you. I love you too. Sino yun? Ayan! Yan! Ang ganda pakinggan, ang ganda pakinggan. Okay lang mag-ingay.
Ladies and gentlemen, the show will start in a few minutes.
Ako po yun. Ako rin po yung nasa backstage yung may chimes, may pa-chimes. Sir, may pa-chimes. Pero hindi yan.